hello. Today I am with Hannah.
Hello.
She's the best, is the truth. And today we are going to show you guys some tube shapes. We're going to show you like 3 or 4, and we'll do some front and we'll do some from the side. It's going to be great.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Here we go. I'm just gonna yell at the camera from here because it's just easier and I don't care. So, the Christmas tree, that's what I call it. Makes sense in my head. You start low at an angle like this, and then I kind of just like make V shapes, and they start wide, and then I slowly go up to a point and end there, and then close off the flashlight or end the exposure. Next shape is swipes, that's what I call them. And so with where his hands are, for me it makes sense to start with the left. So I start with it at a 45 and I go across my body, and then I get that angle again and I go lower across my body, 45, across. That's how we do that shape. Last shape is the door, probably the simplest. So for me to try to keep my door even though I'm still pretty terrible at it, I start low and I use both hands, and I try to keep it even, and then I start my exposure. I'll have the remote in one hand, and then I bring it up, and then I end the exposure. And that's how you do a door. And all of these that we just did, I also lit Hannah from the front with a flashlight. That's how I lit her up. If you want to do that, that's completely up to you. So yeah. So that is it for this little tutorial. Again, I'm the Russell with this Hannah. See you next time. Okay, bye.
Bye.